Hi, welcome to the video course Go Behavioral Patterns by Mario Castro Contreras, a video course by Pact Publishing. I am Alistair Owain and I will be Mario's voice for this course. Mario Castro Contreras is a software engineer who has specialized in distributed systems and big data solutions. He works as a site reliability engineer and now he is focused on containerized solutions and apps using most of the Google Cloud Suite, especially Kubernetes. He has wide experience in systems and solutions integration and has written many scalable and reliable 12-factor apps using Go and Docker. He has designed big data architectures for financial services and the media, and he has written data processing pipelines using event-driven architectures entirely in Go. He is also very active in the open source community, and you can find him on his GitHub account with the username Saden. In the past, he has also written mobile applications and backends in Java. Mario is passionate about programming languages, and he finds the best balance between fun and productivity in Go. However, recently he enjoys writing in Rust and embedded systems in C. He is also passionate about road cycling and winter sports. Now let's look at our course. Cool, so now let's talk about Go. Go is a multi-paradigm programming language that has built-in facilities to create concurrent applications. Design patterns allow developers to efficiently address common problems faced while developing applications. Go design patterns will provide you with a reference point for software design patterns and help to build applications in a more idiomatic, robust, and convenient way in Go. In this course, we will focus on the behavioral patterns in Go. In other words, we will learn to encapsulate behaviors, for example, algorithms, in the strategy pattern or executions in the command pattern. Correct behavior design is the last step, after knowing how to deal with object creation and structures. Defining the behavior correctly is the last step of good software design, because all in all, good software design lets us improve algorithms and fix errors easily, while the best algorithm implementation will not save us from bad software design. It's divided into 3 sections. So, our first section deals with the first behavioral pattern to make objects react in an expected or bounded way. We'll start with the strategy pattern, perhaps the most important design pattern in object-oriented programming, as many design patterns have something in common with it. Then we'll move to the chain of responsibility to build chains of objects that can decide which between them must deal with a particular case. Finally, command pattern to encapsulate actions that don't necessarily need to be executed immediately or must be stored. Then we will move on to the second section, which continues with behavioral patterns introducing the interpreter pattern, a quite complex pattern to create small languages and interpreters for them. The memento pattern is in front of our eyes every day with the undo button in apps. The template pattern helps developers by defining an initial structure of an operation so that the final users of the code can finish it. Then we will end this video with the third and last section, which depicts the observer pattern, an important pattern that is becoming tremendously popular in distributed systems and reactive programming. The visitor pattern deals with complex hierarchies of objects, where you need to apply a particular action depending on the object. Finally, the state pattern, which is commonly used in video games and finite state machines, and allows an object to change its behavior depending on its own state. Sounds great, isn't it? By the end of this course, you will have an advanced knowledge of Go design patterns. You will be well equipped with the implementations of most Go design patterns. Also, you will be able to use the concepts learned here in your application development. This course will enable you to understand and apply design patterns in an idiomatic way to produce concise, readable, and maintainable software. All you need to follow through the examples in this course is a computer running any recent version of Go, while the examples all use Go 1.7. Knowledge of design patterns is optional. You are expected to have basic knowledge of programming. So let's get started right away. I'm sure you'll be amazed after exploring this wonderful language. See you there.